Be careful, though, at the elementary level when it comes to disrespect, because we see very little disrespect in the elementary level. We might think it's disrespect because it tweaks something in our brain that doesn't feel good to us based on the way we were taught, all right? So just don't go down that hole, all right? If you take it personally, it's always going to be disrespect. For the most part, when kids use foul language, when they're doing things like that, it's a major disruption. Unless they're coming directly to you with foul language and threats and all that. But be mindful of the fact that when you're little, you don't have the filter to really decide what's respect versus disrespect. You do, however, know how to create a disruption. You do know how to refuse to do something, and you know how to create a safety issue for the functions of avoidance, attention, and control.